So we open it from here.
Yes.
What?
This is here.
Is there tape here? How do we open it?
This I think you have to. Aha. You fold this one like that, and then you do like this.
And then what?
And then you, I think you do like this. Yes. Then.
Wow.
What do we have
Who is
here?
this?
That's just if we will return.
What is this?
So we have our rituals. Wait, do we have our rituals? Jasmine based on natural wraps wax, and our. So you just ordered online, so we don't need to go to the shop. It's a recyclable pack. It's rituals a hand wash because we don't. It's already almost done. So can you take? You must hold it in båda två.
I can't get it. Okay, get rid of this empty box.
Yeah.
And then we have the free box.
So we have this
And we
one.
have instructions back here. These are not instructions. Okay, so how do we open it?
I think you just have to open and you just pick the. So.
Open it up.
So you just have to.
Should we open? But
Yeah.
I have to take off this
You
one.
have to take off the logo.
Sadly.
Yes.
My logo. I'm the
Let's just see
logo.
what we read. We just have to read what is in here because this is also a private collection of rituals.
I'm gonna eat this.
A sparkling and vibrant fruity top and note of fresh citrus notes and berries. The leads to elegant blossoms like peony
Can't
and
open it. Up. Do. A candle.
I think you open this one.
Why does it have 3 things? Why is it so
It's
big?
the-
I have so many questions. Why does it look like that's the mouth, that's the eyes? And why
No, because
does
this
it
is
look...
the biggest and this is the extra large size of rituals candle.
Take it out. I can't.
No, you don't need to take it out.
Yes. I want to take it out.
No, you don't need to take it out.
I
So this 100% natural wax, very important, first time use. It's like this because it's extra large. That's why it has 3 like this. So this is
Can't
the
we
pattern.
keep
And we
this?
unbox with this.
Can't we keep this box? But it's kind of free.
This is quite big. And we have this. So it's 1 kilo. So this is the refill of our hand wash. Angel rose and sweet almond oil. This is Ayurveda. And I cut it with a scissor here. And this is recycled pack. It's really good also. So I'm just happy because this is so little left in it. Put some.
Toby. Okay.
Like this.
Oh yeah. This
package. So it's gonna be closed again. So it will not like drop anything. It's like it will close again. That's why it's called recycle pack. So I just have to squeeze it, and then it will open again there. And then like now you see. And then I stop, then it will stop. And it will close again. It's really good. So it's done.